Okay, today I'm going to be showing you how to remove a campaign from your Google Ads for, say, if it's running and it's spending too much money and you're like, nope, I want to get rid of that. I'm going to show you exactly how to do that right now. So go into your Google Ads campaign account, or Google Ads account, and then you're going to go to the campaign section. Over here, it's going to say that you're already in the overview section. If you aren't, make sure you click that over there. And then you are going to go to where it says campaigns. It's going to have a drop down menu, and then you are going to select campaigns. So I'm selecting that. Then, as you can see in here, we have a couple different campaigns. However, only one of them is running. And the way you can tell that it is running is this green dot right here. So it says enable, pause, and remove. If you are wanting to remove your Google Ads campaign, select remove. If you don't, and you just want to turn it off, it's not running very well right now, and you're like, I don't think I want to do this, but I might come back to it one day. Just click pause. There's no harm in just clicking pause. You can have tons and tons of campaigns in here, and a lot of times that will maintain data inside of Google Ads to make sure that you are getting as much information as possible. So it may not work very well, but at least Google will know in the future, hey, these people aren't buying, or something was wrong with this campaign, and it can utilize that information for future customers. So removing it is not always the best solution. Most of the time I would recommend clicking pause, and then you can always come back to it in the future, and you can still maintain that data from previous leads or previous sales, and you can see how ads performed and things like that. Click-through rate, conversion rate, cost per click, all those different things, those are still going to be available. But if you remove it, it's gone. But if you pause it, it's not working, you're not spending money, it's just sitting there not doing anything, but you have access to it. It's like archiving it. So I have right now 2 campaigns paused. I'm going to pause this one for an example. I'm not going to remove it because I don't want to remove it. I want to enable it. But for example, if I did click remove, it's going to ask you to confirm. If you want to permanently remove it, you're going to click yes if you really, really want to remove it. So that's the end of this video. If you enjoyed, if you need personalized help, make sure that you leave a like and look into my bio on my channel or in the description of this video and set up a time with me if you are trying to have some one-on-one help with your Google Ads. If you're struggling, or if you just want some consulting, helping you optimize some things, I'm available for those things. So make sure you click the link in the below, and if this video helped you, leave a like. Have a great day.